Hi guys, Matt Suddarth again with DTO Customs for another exciting edition of our Pick of the Week. We like to call this Jeep season because tons of people are itching to make their Jeep Wrangler purchase in time to enjoy the spring and summer weather. As such, we've been building like crazy to bring as many of our unique DTO Customs Wrangler builds to market. And this week, it's one of our newest JLs. It's a 2019 Rubicon with the perfect addition of custom upgrades to make this one really stand out. So the first things I wanted to point out are the factory exterior options on this Rubicon. We have painted and color matched fenders and hardtop, LED headlights, LED running lights, and the Rubicon classic front and rear locking axles. As a special DTO Customs build, we've upfitted this JL with a 3-inch Fabtech Lift kit, 37-inch Toyo open country tires, 22 by 12-inch Moto Metal wheels, and color-matched VPR front and rear bumpers with the rear tire carrier. Now, we've been mentioning since the JL Wrangler was first announced, and after trying many different lift options for the new Wrangler, we've determined that this Fabtech Lift is our favorite. It's the right lift height and has the features and quality that give it superior durability on and off the road. Seriously, this JL Wrangler on 37-inch tires drives like a Cadillac. So lastly, the interior features are worth mentioning as well. You have plush heated leather seats with the orange stitching, heated leather wrapped steering wheel along with a leather wrapped shift knob, premium door trim, remote ignition, GPS navigation, Alpine sound system, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, rear backup camera, blind spot sensors, collision warning, and so much more. So come down and see this and any of our other custom Wrangler JL and JK models today. We accept trades of all kinds and proudly offer competitive financing which covers our custom upgrades as well. Give us a call or visit us online at dtocustoms.com to see our complete inventory. And be sure to follow DTO Customs on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory in your news feeds. Thanks for watching.